Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now today I will discuss about how to create the link and graphically join to link and add beam, and other thing is how to automatic create the link. So now let's go to start from design here. First new project and space selection and apply the millimeter, kilogram and next yes and okay. Again add beam here and finish. So like look at this here, select this. Now go to front plane and make whatever any part design. So when you click this point here and make the graphical process, this is called, I will make this one component, one trusses member in joint here, and same thing again joint from here. So it is completed right now. If you want to check the dimension, so here the dimension, display and undisplay, display is closed, and if you remove, so we remove and okay. So how to go to create the link basically, and if you go to, first of all I will go to pattern actually. So when you go to y-axis and number of spaces 2 and select this component and okay. So when you check the distance, it is nearest only for here. The look at this very nearest and create the pattern. If you change the direction, so again go to pattern and change the Z direction, and the number of space is 5, 3 step and space is 20, and select here every point and go to OK. So it is shortest distance. If you look at this very shortest distance, 10 mm is not the required for us. So when you again change from this here, 10 is not sufficient. So if you change other pattern here, number of step is 3 and value put down 200 and Z direction, if you Y direction, whatever you, if you Y direction, okay, then okay, Z direction, and then selection for every part, and I will do the okay. Look at this, some distances has been created, right? And if you create the node, so here the add beam, look at this add beam and joint, one joint. If you stop this here, so they stop this here, so here they stop. Second joint is like that, second joint. If you make the link basically, so when again side, if you change the node and if you again change the node, and also if you change the node, same thing here, they change the node, okay. And next other thing, look at this, create the some nodes here, 1 2 3 4 and here the node also join this point to this point, So if you look at this here, joint has been created. So it shall consume the much more time, so that's why it's a directly create the link. If you want directly create the link, so how is it possible? When you go to mirror again, I will go I have back right now. This is one structure, and go to pattern here, and how to directly create the link, which today has been topic is link step actually. So when you go to different step, 1 2 3 5 step, and here the distance we will provide the 800. Okay, and which direction? That's why Z direction this time. And here when the directly create the link, so when you click the link step, this is very important. If you directly create the link, if you not want to join the 8 beam, so before click the link at the time of pattern, so click that link step and select the all body, selecting, and click the link here, and OK. Look at this position here, just automatic click the link. This is link, this is link, anywhere to join link automatically create. So again I will show you how to do that. First of all, go to here and define the axis Z direction, and number of steps we will define just 5, and here the distance according to measurement, according to diagram. If you give the 800, I am giving us, and before very important to remember that here link step, because I want directly link joint, so step link and OK. Before OK can do this before selection for all part. Here selected all part, then after go to OK. So like here you can see that this link is automatic create, this link automatic create, this link automatic create. Same thing is here, upper link is automatic create. So it means how to generate the graphically node and automatically node. If I am showing here how to do that, joint one link, second link, third link here, and if you click the node beam, so directly create this joint to this joint, this joint to this joint. If you want this point to this point, it's a 8 beam, using for 8 beam. So just like here, if you want to change the another joint and another node, so definitely use for link here, they are required actually, because this time is not the joint anywhere, so it is create the link, and 8 joint is whatever and anywhere to joint. If you joint is that type, so if you joint, definitely click the another point to other node to next node, other node to next node. So like that, this is type of going to make the 8 beam and direct join the link. It's very easy to work from here, very easy to understand from here, and manage the all node and activities. They are not the very difficult from component, easy understandable, and then make the member. So today I will discuss about how to join the 8 beam and link create automatically. So today's session has been completed.